adding content into our Rock Trello workflow process. And we're going to be using Trello to check things off to see what our options are for compositions and as we work through a production cycle. So I need your input on this. It is located in our Week 8 folder. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a link to our Trello board and the video you're watching right now. This is where it is. So what does this mean? Well, when we click on the link here, boom, it's going to take us over to our Trello board. And you have to click up here to get to that link. And what you're going to see is each one of you have been designated a section to add content in for things that we can check off. So right here in the backlog, click on this. Wait for it. And in here, I've dedicated each one of you to one of these components. So let's just say if I'm Rahi, I'll click here, and it'll take me over to DotStorm where people brainstorm the things we need to do for this phase of production. What I want Rahi to do is to take the stuff that are actionable items, things that you do that start with a verb, and put those into our workflow. So what that means is everything you find there, you start with a verb and use all uppercase for the verb. You click card and type verb and whatever the thing is. So the idea being is that everything that we need to accomplish for that phase of production, we want to put into here so that we have them as checkable things that we can then put into a production. So this will be our backlog of every option. But let's say we're about to make a song, and we would put all the different elements of the song in here, from different instruments to different song elements like the key. I mean, we're going to be putting all kinds of things in here that help us make decisions on how to move forward and collaborate remotely. And here is an example. This is a film class. You can see that. So you have the verbs here, the things that they're putting in here. That is what you'll be doing. So that's the process. What I ask you to do is set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes. And usually what I do is I set it for 15 minutes and then I work by looking at the DotStorm stuff and then putting it in here. And when the timer goes off, then I finish up my thoughts and then I stop and I move on to the next thing I'm working on in my life. Thanks for watching.